And
there was so much, traffic, and I request them कि आप 3-4 बजे बस कर लेना, तो बोले नहीं ऐसा ऐसा है.
We'll start maybe we can unveil after he comes. We can start with the questions.
Okay, we'll unveil the cover after he comes.
okay, so we are unveiling the cover.
He will
after
be
the
here
cover.
within a 5 minutes.
Yeah, meanwhile we can start.
Meanwhile, first let me announce that Mr. Udit and Aditya Narayan is not only on our cover, they'll also be a part of Stardust concert happening in London in October. And will be hosted by the very popular Palm Beach Casino.
Namaskar to everyone, and sorry for delay because of there was so much traffic, so I'm very sorry. Aditya is on the way only. Any moments he will be here. So first of all, I'm really very happy that Stardust, such a top magazine, and Narendra Sahab and Yogi Sahab is here, and they are going to do our show. So feeling very happy, and going to London after 10 years. Last 2005, we have done some shows with Aditya only. It was in Albert Hall. So after 10 years, I am going to London. So hope everything will be all right. Of course, Narendra Sahab and Stardust is there, so बहुत अच्छा होगा show.
Tell us something about what happened, 10 years before when you went on there. What was your experience like? How was it? And what are your expectations now that you're going?
2005, myself and Aditya was also there. And that time, he got name, so, जो Z में आए थे. So as an anchor, he got name fame. So you can't believe that Albert Hall was jam-packed. And there was no seat at all. So हमें इतनी खुशी हुई कि मैं बोला कि यार कमाल हो गया कुछ. एंड हमारे इंडियन एम्बेसडर साहब आए थे वहाँ, एंड वो भी शो देखे और बहुत अच्छा शो हुआ. वहाँ पे भी आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, थोड़े लेट हो गया था वहाँ, लेकिन जब शो स्टार्ट हुई तो कम आउट सो वेल एंड पीपल इतने खुश हुए थे कि कांट बिलीव, मतलब मजा आ गया. सब भूल गए कि मतलब लेट हो गया, वो आधे घंटे लेट हो गया था शो. सो लंदन इज ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड ऑल द देयर आर इंडियंस तो भरे हुए हैं. एक तो जगह भी है साउथ हॉल जहाँ की हमारे पंजाब भरे हुए हैं वहाँ. एंड वी ऑलवेज फील के लंदन में जाने से ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर इन इंडिया ओनली, बिकॉज म्यूजिक लवर्स आर देयर एंड दे लव इंडियन म्यूजिक, दे लव film industry, Indian Bollywood. So we feel great.
Coming to you, simpler question. Don't worry. Tell us, how does it feel to be a part of a concert like this?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Hira and my director, Richard Pointer. He couldn't be here today. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. We did last year Kumar Sanu, and he was absolutely very popular. He was, as you said, he was totally packed. It was absolutely superb. This one, again, I'm hoping, and I'm sure it will be, that I'll be hitting the old generation, the young Udit as well. So both father and son are there. It's going to be very popular. It's already, we started advertising over there in the scenes. be fabulous. I'm hoping that again it's going to be wonderful.
When you came to know that it was this talented pair, Udit and Aditya Narayan, what was your first reaction?
Wow, amazing. Something that
You were mentioning how you've seen him 10 years back then? Or?
It was Kumar Sanu who did it, and I've always wanted to have this.
With Kumar Sanu, I think Alka Yagnik was also there.
Yeah, that's right. She was there, and he was very popular. And this time as well, as I say, these two are coming, and our customers over there, the Asian community, it's really popular. It's into Bollywood, it's into music. They know these two very well.
Let me add that there are people flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Wow,
There are
great.
friends.
Arey wow, it's a great thing.
You know Bunty Walia?
Bunty Walia.
His brother, Jesse, he's flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a great thing.
So
Means,
maybe-
means they all love Indian music and they all love us.
You.
You and your son.
No, no, and everyone loves you since many years. My God, Nari Hira ji is, my God, very, very popular since more than 50, 60 years, I think. Eh?
How old are you,
my
Mr.
He's very young. I'm also young. जी जी. So this time, मतलब मजा आएगा, you know, because myself and Aditya is going. So people, they all thinking के father and son, they are going to sing, oh, I love you, daddy. तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me, daddy. Then पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा छल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया. This is new song, huh?
Yeah. Sang it today.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Please have a seat. Sorry. So you are absolutely right. कि God is there and our hard work is there.
Of course. Yeah.
So everything will be super duper.
We're doing loads of marketing,
Yeah.
both for both
Because
of you.
for marketing you are there, he's there, Stardust is there, all the teams are
Teams
there.
there, and
So.
it's going to
All
be
our
a go.
magazines are there.
Magazines, yes.
Uditji, when first time when you
And you are there. Yes.
Uditji, the first time when you saw your son singing on stage in front of you, what did you feel?
It is very difficult to express, you know. But of course, being a father, I feel really proud that I have only one son. एक ही लड़का है. And since his childhood only, he is doing good by the grace of God and all your blessings. So he is a talented guy. He can act, he can sing, he can anchor the show, and he has done also, and people, you all like him so much. So blessings are there, of course. So really I feel proud, but you know, what I felt good about him, you know, okay, when he was 5-6 years old boy only, na, that time only he started singing. And first time he sang with me that Akele Hum Akele Hum, produced by Venus, and lyrics writer, veteran lyrics writer Mazrur Saab, and music by Anu Malik, Akele Hum Akele Tum. So,
The song that you just sang. no?
Yeah.
Same.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग हैं तो फिर क्या गम. तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान. That is it. Oh, I love you, Daddy. तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love again.
Yeah.
So that time I was thinking that it is very difficult. That Aditya was a 5-6-year-old boy, but he managed like anything, you know.
Yeah.
So that time I realized that maybe in future he is going to do something. Then he got छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे, टुपी टप टप, and it is a very popular music by Anand Raj Anand, film called Masoom, and Time was present film. Then he sang. Then he sang for Rangila, Rahman Saab, with Asha ji. वो जा रंगीला रे चॉकलेट खाने में टेंशन है, दूध पीने में, and he was 7-8 years old boy that time. So I realized कि no, he is a talented boy, and maybe in future he is going to do better and better. Then he acted 2 movies, Pardesh with Shah Rukh Khan Sahab, and produced by Subhash Ghai Sahab, showman director. And second film he has done with again Salman Khan Sahab. Film was जब प्यार किससे होता है, टिप्स फिल्म, एंड एक्टिंग भी अच्छा किया उसने. तो देन आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, मे बी इन फ्यूचर ही विल डू समथिंग. सो ही हैज टू गो लॉन्ग वे. ऑफ कोर्स मैं ही नहीं कुछ कर पाया हूँ अभी, तो मुझे बहुत दूर जाना ही हो. आई हैव टू गो फार एंड फार. सो म्यूजिक इज ए क्रिएटिव जॉब, एंड जितना भी हम उसमें जाएं, जितना भी करें, कम है. तो since almost 3 decades I have been entertaining you all, and pray for me कि बस करता रहूं, entertain करता रहूं, और आप लोगों को खुश करता रहूं अपनी आवाज़ से, अपनी कला से, अपनी संगीत से. और सैल्यूट करता हूं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, एंड कोर्स आप सब लोगों को कि जिन्होंने, आप लोगों ने सराहा, मेरी आवाज़ को इतना प्यार दिया, और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने मुझे इतने बड़े फिल्म में सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स, राइटर्स, टेक्नीशियंस, आई वांट टू थैंक film industry. Because of film industry, whatever I am today. Hard work and honesty is so there, of course there, but after so much struggle, at least thanks to God and all His blessings के मैं यहाँ तक हूँ, और आगे भी रहूँगा, यानी कि क़यामत से क़यामत तक. जी, नारियल साहब, say something.
Now questions.
Yeah, I need to go open for any questions from the.
Yeah, go ahead.
वो कौन सी एडवाइस है जो आप आदित्य को देते रहते हैं, लाइक हमेशा, लाइक मे बी सिंगिंग को लेकर हो या लाइफ लेसन्स को लेकर हो, उसके बारे में
संजय,
मैं आपको बताऊं, लेकिन काम चला लेगा. ये बहुत अच्छी बात कही आपने कि हर पेरेंट्स का एक ड्रीम होता है कि मेरा बच्चा नाम करे, अच्छा काम करे, पढ़े लिखे, जो कि मेरे गाने में भी है कि कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, डॉक्टर में कोई अपना, बिजनेस में अपना कोई नाम करेगा. ये भी एक कोइंसिडेंट ही है कि मेरे साथ ही आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं आदित्य को हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि तुम स्टडी तो ज़रूरी है, लेकिन मेहनत करो और ईमानदारी रखो, और टाइम का पंक्चुअल बनो. जी कि आज टाइम में वो आ नहीं पाया, तो मैं बोलता हूँ, देखो कि हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक से एक लोग हैं. आज हमारे महानायक सुपरस्टार अमिताभ जी हैं, उनको अगर सुबह 5 बजे आप बोले तो 4:50 पे वो कोई आए ना आए, लेकिन वो जरूर आपको मिलेंगे। तो आप देखिए, ऐसे थोड़े इतना महान आदमी बनता है, किसी को बिठा के उसको तकलीफ दे के। मतलब मैं अपनी भी बात कर रहा हूँ, तो आप लोग इसलिए माफ कर दिए कि सोचे कि चलो ये 30-40 साल से 3 टिकट से है तो चलो इसको माफ कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे को तो अभी बहुत पंक्चुअल होना चाहिए, हो जाएगा। तो मैं यही सब बोलता रहता हूँ कि बी ऑनेस्ट, डू हार्ड वर्क, एंड योर फादर्स बैकग्राउंड वाज लाइक यू नो के फार्मिंग बैकग्राउंड। आई एम ए सन ऑफ फार्मर। तो मैं एक स्क्रैच से यहाँ आया हूँ, तो मुझे बोलने में कोई भी दुख नहीं होता है। लोग तो कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि छुपा लेते हैं, बोलते नहीं जो पास्ट था पास्ट था, लेकिन हम पास्ट याद करेंगे तो ही हमारा फ्यूचर अच्छा रहेगा, ये मैं सोचता हूँ। और मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी हमारे दुनिया में जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं, आज हमारे राष्ट्रपति जी एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी नहीं रहे, लेकिन मैंने उनकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ी तो मैं सोच में पड़ गया कि वो क्या राष्ट्रपति हमारे देश में थे, कि मछुआरे फैमिली में रहे और अखबार पेपर बेच के उन्होंने पढ़ा। उनकी सिस्टर थी तो उन्होंने अपने गहने बेच के उनको पढ़ाया। मेरे भी, मैं तो छोटा आदमी हूँ, लेकिन मेरी भी एक सिस्टर थी, वो कैंसर से गुजर गई, तो वो मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं होते थे, तो मेरी बहन ने मिश्रा फैमिली की शादी हुआ था बिहार में, तो बोले कि देखो तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं तो तुम मेरे पास आ जाओ, तो उन्होंने ही मुझे मिडिल पास करवाया था। ये भी बात तो मुझे जब मैं रेडियो में सुन रहा था उनकी कहानी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। ऐसा ही होता है कि देखिए, इस दुनिया में कोई भी रहने के लिए तो नहीं आया है। इस दुनिया में लाखों करोड़ लोग हैं, लेकिन भगवान ने सबके लिए उसका हर चीज समझ के रखा है कि ये आदमी कैसा है, इसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, इसके मदर फादर ने क्या किए थे, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं गुड डीड एंड बैड डीड। तो अच्छा कर्म करना, आपके क्वेश्चन पूछते मैं कहीं और ही चला गया, तो आदित्य के लिए तो मैं बोल दिया हूँ। बस अच्छा काम करना है। किसी को मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि किसी को परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए मेरे वजह से, किसी भी वजह से, और अच्छा काम करिए और लोगों को खुश रखिए और अपनी आवाज़ से आप आगे बढ़ते जाइए और लोगों की ब्लेसिंग्स लेते जाइए, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है जी। There are many singers who जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, like you know अरिजीत सिंह, मीका सिंह, because their songs are very very popular, and there are other singers, female also, you know, चिटिया कलियां पे, and कनिका सिंह, female singer, कनिका कपूर सर, they all doing fantastic job, and एक वो भी गाने बड़े पॉपुलर हुए हैं, पन्नू तेरा क्या स्वाइगर है, हाँ, वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर सॉन्ग, मैं सुनता रहता हूँ रेडियो, so they all doing fantastic job, and अभी क्या है, थोड़े ऐसा लगता है कि 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल अगर आप टिक गए तो यू नो इट्स ए ग्रेट फील। बट पहले एक जमाना था, रवि साहब, किशोर दा, हम लोग तो एडमायर करते थे उनको बचपन से, माय चाइल्डहुड ओनली वी एडमायर हिम, लेजेंडरी सिंगर्स लाइक आज किशोर दा का बर्थ एनिवर्सरी भी है 4th जुलाई में टुडे, हिज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी इज आल्सो देयर, सो बहुत अच्छे दिन में आपने ये फंक्शन रखे हैं। और only I can say that there are talented singers out there, and they all doing good job, like Arijit Singh and Mika Singh, then Tiwari, some Tiwari, no?
Ankit Tiwari.
Ankit Tiwari and Monica Kapoor. They all done good job. And previous so many singers they have done good job like Kailash A, Sonu Nigam and कई लोग थे you know.
So I want to ask, during your time, question? Yeah.
What's your take on item numbers and which one is your favorite?
Item number. Nowadays तो जमाना आइटम नंबर का है एंड आइटम नंबर्स तो इतने सुपर हिट हुए जैसे बेबी डॉल चिट्टियां कलाइयां बे उमाही and one song she are popular that Kunika Kapoor's
That is her.
Baby doll.
baby doll masane di oh baby doll she got a film here also.
Yeah.
Stardust also.
Stardust so if you become star so of course Stardust so always going to that and that songs are very popular you know. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई yes music by ललित पंडित मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए and then चिकनी चमेली that Shreya sang शीला की जवानी सुनिधि चौहान
The question was
Oh,
for him.
All items songs.
What's your take on
What's your take on?
Do you like
Which one?
You like
You
item
like-
songs.
yeah of course I like item song जी of course अच्छा नमस्ते जी
So what's your take on item numbers and
No, देखिए if today item numbers are doing good, so we have to follow. And item numbers are very popular. चाहे मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, शीला की जवानी और कोई भी, तो जो चल रहा है वो एक कहावत है जो दिखता है वो बिकता है लोग बोलते हैं. तो सपोज सॉन्ग्स आर रनिंग तो हम लोग तो डेफिनेट गाएंगे एंड हम लोग को बहुत पसंद है रियली बिकॉज सुपर डुपर हिट फिल्में हैं जितने भी आइटम्स नंबर्स हैं सुपर हिट ऑल्सो एंड फिल्म ऑल्सो बिकम सुपर डुपर हिट सो हम लोग को मानना तो चाहिए जी सर
yeah.
My question
Okay,
is,
ji.
frequent your casino?
Sorry, say that.
Do Bollywood celebs frequent your casino? And can you share
So
some
they
names?
frequent your casino Bollywood.
He wants the names
Which
of
are the
Bollywood
people who,
celebrities.
which are the
who
Bollywood
frequent
celebrities?
The names.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah,
These
they
are the
do.
difficult questions.
Yeah. Basically, what it is I can't name anybody because of casino is data protection. But we do get Bollywood celebrities walking in regularly. We've got several casinos in London, and one of our other casinos, Colony, is very popular for the Bollywoods. Ours is more volume, so we get a lot of Asian clientele coming and one or two Bollywoods walking. If I say to you this year, I had about 5 of them walking.
Yogi
Yes.
wants the names.
I can't give names.
Shall I give it to them?
You can, yeah.
Saif walked in. Am I right? Saif Ali Khan walked in. I heard.
Yeah, you heard, yeah.
Is
Yes.
that true?
Okay,
I'm sure
everyone,
you all walked in.
welcome Mr. Aditya.
have to say something?
Yeah, the first thoughts on the cover.
Cover, na?
Come on.
Wow. एक ही बात होगा कि जिंदगी में पहली बार फर्स्ट कवर पे इतना खूबसूरत फोटो डाले हैं आदित्य जी का। थैंक यू सो मच नारायण साहब एंड योगी साहब एंड स्टारडस्ट एंड सोसाइटीज। थैंक यू सो मच।
Aditya?
मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि पापा बहुत हैंडसम लग रहे हैं कवर में।
What about you?
मैं तो ठीक ही हूँ, but I have some time to catch up now. I wish at his age, at 44, I made him happy. I also look like this. No, and
34 and Nari Hira Sahab only 40.
yeah, he's sweet 16. No, it's looking great and it feels great. Yeah, it's my privilege and honor to be on the cover of Society along with my father, who is obviously someone that I look up to a lot, and everyone does. I mean, he's an icon for the entire nation, and to be featured alongside him is a great honor. So thank you.
Now that Aditya is here, any questions?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, India. I'm very sorry. Yes, extremely sorry. I don't want to blame it on the traffic because we all get traffic.
Palm Beach Casino.
Sorry, you were answering something.
I was answering.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Mr.
Finishing off with the stars of walking to Palm Beach Casino, which he hasn't told me, but I know
Yeah.
through our Stardust contacts. Saif Ali Khan, you only got to say yes or no.
Very difficult.
Yes or no?
Saif Ali Khan was allegedly spotted in Palm Beach.
It probably was there.
Yeah. Okay. Bobby Deol.
Probably again.
We have so many lookalikes, Mr.
Yes, there is,
I
yeah.
have a lot of spies around. You can't get away.
I know.
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, they're all
Akshay Kumar, Saif Ali Khan, Bobby Deol.
All right, I'll spare you now. That'll be enough. The rest I'll keep for next time.
Yeah, questions?
So Aditya, you tweeted about the event.
Yes, about one of the shows.
Yeah,
Yes.
very excited.
Oh, extremely, yes. We're going to, I think we are performing, even my father's performing there after a while.
10 years.
10 years, yeah, last 10 years. What
We
do you
have
say?
been there 2005.
Correct,
You
2005.
remember?
Ah.
At Albert Hall.
So that was the time when we had gone last, and then that's when I decided that I'm going to stay back here for a year and study music. And I did study music in London for a year, and then I came back, and then we never have managed to go to the UK. I mean, we've traveled everywhere extensively all around the world. My father, obviously, and me also. But the UK hasn't happened, and now it has. And now that it's happening on such a great scale and such a big level. And since we are going there after so long, and we have so many fans there, obviously, and me also here and there. So we're going to put up a great show. And in fact, October is like the start time for season time, जो बोलते हैं show industry में. So all the rehearsals and all are going to be happening. In a way, this will be like our first show abroad together with this new setup that we have, and our bands are merging, and very kind of him, obviously, to let some of my band members also accommodate them in his show. And this is the first time he's actually going to listen to someone before doing the show, which is me. So he does whatever he wants on stage. JD knows. And obviously people love him. He does whatever and people are like, great. But this time, it's going to be a great musical evening, obviously. And the best part is that you have both generations, So, I wouldn't say older generation, I would say young at heart, and the young generation performing on stage together. So really looking forward to it, really excited, and thank you to Stardust and Magna Publications for bringing forth this concept of father and son, and we're going to do great, and really looking forward. And now I'll give the mic Dad also to say.
No, I already talked since 2 hours.
My birthday is in 2 days.
Yes. What are your plans for that day?
I know, I'll finally become an adult. Thank you. I'm finally turning into an adult.
6th is, and 6th is day after tomorrow only.
Yeah.
His birthday.
But he's turning out, he's only 18.
Yeah, I'm 17 right now, turning 18. don't believe it?
They don't know what to say.
They just like stunned. No. I don't know. Yeah, I guess थोड़ा वो it's my birthday का भूत थोड़ा उतर जाता है with age. I'm pretty neutral about it now. And in fact, I'll be turning 28. So my father started looking for a girl from आपको पता है कि नहीं? इन्होंने मुझे बोला नहीं है. ये चुपचाप अभी लड़कियां ढूंढने लगे मेरे लिए. So that's a bit of a worry, but no problem. I'll let him have his fun. And it feels great as 28 is a big year. It's like late 20s now. My friends keep telling me you're a big. Thank you so much. No, it feels great. Honestly, time flies. Obviously, everyone says that. Lekin I've been very fortunate to have experienced and learned so much at still, which is a young age only, and to have been blessed with so many opportunities and so much work along with my learning process. Because generally people start thinking about their lives in their mid-20s. कि अब मैं क्या करूँगा? What would I pursue seriously? But I've already experienced so much. I would say. I sang my first song when I was 5 years old, so only 23 years. So yeah, it's been a great learning phase, and looking forward to the next 28 years.
Next question.
After playback in Lamprila,
I've just signed T-Series as an artist, and my first album will hopefully release on his landmark birthday. I won't say what landmark year it is.
First December.
1st December. Yeah.
My birthday is first December.
Landmark.
It's a landmark now. Wikipedia कर लो आप.
मतलब जहाँ आदित्य meant to say कि जहाँ मदर फादर है वो लैंड है.
और वहाँ पे मैं माँ कर रहा हूँ. No, so yeah, that's happening, and my first single just released last month. It's called Tu Hi Pyar Hai. Did very well, and my second single is releasing on my birthday. It's called Tera Ishq Ji Paun, and I think we have September, October, November. So we have 3 more singles lined up in the next 3 months. So that's what's happening, and yeah, all of them have music videos. It's a great album. Right now it's called Mohabbat, tentatively titled. Let's see. And it's got 8 beautiful love songs, and I've worked really hard. Thank you. On the album since the past year actually, and you must be knowing that I have my own band together. So all the songs are written, composed by either my bandmates or me. I myself have composed 3 of them and written 3 of them, and it's just me and my band and a couple of my friends who are basically part of the band for me. Achiranta you must be knowing. And half the songs are written by Manoj, and I'm in fact it's the first time that I've really enjoyed doing something. It's the first time that I've sat down and been like, okay, what do I want to give to my audience? How do I want in what way do I create art and music and videos for people to see me and to enjoy it? So it's been a very satisfying experience. It's almost at the end. All the mixes are happening at Yashraj now, and I'm eagerly waiting to see what everyone else's response is. And then obviously there's a couple of Bollywood songs, but today it's different. Yeah, his time it was different. Now it's like one song is sung by 10 singers, and then once the song is out, then you're like, "Acha, mera version rakha hai." So whenever I see my song on TV, I'll call you. So that's happening.
Next question.
He's talented boy and good singer also, good actor also, and good composer also. Available for 19999. But he has to go long way. एक ही चीज आप लोगों की तरफ से बताइएगा, अमिताभ बच्चन जी की तरह टाइम पे आया है.
Any questions?
Thank you for saying this.
Why don't you sing for us?
What? Of course I'll sing for you. Yeah. Then I'm forgiven.
Yeah.
So you can take it. अच्छा.
क्या गाएं? आप पे गाना गाता हूँ.
Nice song.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग हैं तो फिर क्या हम, तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान.
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान,
But you love me, Daddy.
but
You love me, Daddy. That was him singing a song for you and me accompanying.
Why don't you do a solo for us?
Yes, definitely. Ramleela? Yeah.
Yes, of
एक मिनट आपको माइक.
ये लीजिए.
Check.
Yeah,
that's better.
this is your song.
Oh. राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो. हो देखो 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 only gives exclusive chorus for me. Thank you.
Thank you for lovely compliment.
Arre.
2 more questions, yeah.
Only so.
Aditya,
Yeah,
Because my questions are already over.
my relationship status. Yeah, thank God someone asked me about this. I'm waiting to say this. You know, it has now been almost 3 years that I've been single. And I'll tell you the reasons for it also. I don't know if you want to print it or show it. But the thing is that I've realized. No. I've realized that whatever you have to do in life, no, you have to do yourself. No one's going to do it for you. No one's going to make your dreams come true for you unless you're an extremely hot woman. No. Or guy. But that is also 50-50. But no, jokes apart, I think that what I've realized is that instead of spending money on other things, I won't say futile things or people, I would say that I'd rather invest in making my dreams come true, you know. And what I've realized is that if your dreams are very big, you have to make big sacrifices also. So one of these sacrifices has been not having a steady girlfriend or not being in a steady relationship, and also not stepping out into clubs literally every week and booking tables for obscene figures of 50,000, 80,000. And you know what? It has actually helped. In the last 3 years, I've saved so much money, and I have. And the best part is that I'm not saying this in context to someone, so we can actually have a laugh about it. But the fact is that I actually have, and then I've used that money and made my dreams bigger and executed them. And I've seen the results, and now I don't think I want a girlfriend because sorry. So so it has given me immense satisfaction what I have done, and I think that for the next couple of years at least, this is going to be the format. So and plus also the thing is that I am also very in a phase right now where I can't think of anything apart from this what I'm creating at the moment. There are days where I don't even meet my parents, and they're like, in the same house. Where are you? I'm just at the studio working, making music, thinking of ideas to execute in terms of videos. So I'm so self-consumed that it wouldn't be right for me to be in a relationship with someone. It would just be messy. I wouldn't have time for them, and then they would be like complaining, and I'd be like, "Arey, I'm just doing my job." And it was just, I've seen the, मैंने screenplay देख लिया, and it doesn't play out very well. So I'm very happy with my friends, and the good thing is I'm a very good friend. So I, my friends and I, we enjoy, we go out and we take vacations.
But is it true, Udit ji, are you looking for a girlfriend?
I'm telling you.
What kind of girl are you looking for?
Actually,
Rich girl. I'm telling you, he comes home and he comes to mom and he's like, इतने करोड़ की मालकिन है. I know everything. We stay on the same roof, so he thinks he's very smart. He's like, I just opens the door.
No, it's not true. But sometimes I feel कि यार शादी करो तो जरा बड़े घर में ही करो.
I completely understand his concern because of his only son, and he wants nothing but the best for me. That's very sweet of him, and that's why I haven't stopped him also. Even though 30 years ago he ran away with a woman and got married to her, which is my mother, and had a love marriage, but he expects me to be having an arranged marriage. How convenient!
And he has fan following, of course, since his childhood only, and now though he's become a popular anchor also, and Ram Leela songs are so popular, so there are so many beautiful girls are there. But
are you looking for rich girl? Yes or no?
not rich girl. Actually, ये तो एक मजाक है, लेकिन basically my surname is Jha, तो मैंने बोला कि कोई झा बढ़िया लड़की ले जाता